Hey guys, back at LAZERS-STUDIO again. My dad's testing a record player. He got a Goodwill today, and I got this. And it sings Hound Dog, so this is before repairs, because he doesn't fully work, he just turns his head side to side. But let's look at the box. I'm trying to talk loud so I won't get a content match, but Try Me Light Up. Singing animated dog, and it's made by Dandy. It was brand new. Animated dog. Destroy, same thing. So I'm gonna just put them back on. 3 double A's. And then here you go. So that's a spin, like that. He's supposed to go down too. Right over. But yeah, that's him. 4 repairs. See you when he's repaired.